Whether you're a professional or an amateur, sound quality can make or break your work. TONOR's condenser microphone ensures that your sound will be crisp and clear. Its cardioid pickup pattern helps reduce background noise, while the pop filter stops unwanted sound from affecting your audio. The mic's scissor arm stand allows it to be easily adjusted to suit your needs, no matter if you're sitting or standing. Its sturdy table mount allows for easy placement on any table.
Good morning, everyone. Rise and shine. How are you feeling today? On your way to work?
TONOR sounds so cool.